Embrace working from anywhere with full archiving, e-discovery, and risk analysis for all Zoom communications. Theta Lake is the only solution that provides comprehensive capture across what is said, shown, shared, and typed in video meetings, phone recordings, in-meeting chats, and more. Content is analyzed against more than 65 built-in policies, specifically designed to identify a variety of risks, including regulatory compliance, data security, and misconduct. Plus, Theta Lake offers custom detection rules and custom keywords to apply to your supervision practice. Theta Lake offers several customizable workflows that route content to compliance teams. This workflow ensures 100% of medium to high-risk conversations are sent for review, as well as a 10% random sample of low to slight risk. Review content in a rich workspace that flags the moments in time where risk occurred. Our AI-based compliance advisor identifies meeting participants, flags detections on the timeline, and expands on the policy for reviewers to investigate. In this Zoom meeting, someone pulls up a virtual whiteboard and exposes sensitive account information. The reviewer can now confirm this risk and comment that PII appeared on screen. Monitor and supervise all content in recorded Zoom meetings or select certain components to archive. Particularly powerful for regulated verticals like financial services, Theta Lake offers differentiated archiving, enabling organizations to retain in-meeting chat or polling without needing to record and store the audio or video. Theta Lake provides SEC 17A4 compliant archiving and integrates with other email archiving vendors. Perform rich e-discovery using a variety of filters, such as participants, dates, and policy detections. Or search for keywords and phrases that appear within the audio or visual content. Generate auditor-friendly reports and tag conversations for long-term legal hold, all from a single secure platform. With Zoom's robust security APIs, Theta Lake provides centralized reporting, validation, remediation, and enforcement of Zoom settings across an organization. For example, if someone changes the policy that disables screen sharing, the dashboard will switch from green to red to alert you of this security issue and provide instructions on how to make the fix. Find us on the Zoom Marketplace